Previously, we featured a West Indian dark cake. Now we're featuring this beautiful red velvet pecan cream cheese icing cake. It's moist, it's delicious, everything that you want in a red velvet cake. When you have an opportunity to follow this recipe and make this cake, please give us your comments, your photos, and let us know how yours turned out. I'm sure it's going to be as delicious as ours. Delicious. Enjoy.
We're going to chop and roast our pecans. The oven is preheated at 350. We're going to let it roast for 2 minutes. Okay, in a large bowl, we're going to sift 2.5 cups of flour. We're going to sift 1.5 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cacao that gives it that taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to double sift this. Okay, now that we put the dry ingredients aside, we're going to do the wet ingredients. We're going to whisk 1.5 cups of vegetable oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, 4 gives it the red color, 4 tablespoons of red food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. And our vanilla extract was Macy, Nielsen Macy. And we're gonna do 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. 2 large eggs. And now we're gonna mix in our dry ingredients. We're gonna mix half of the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. Again, gotta be careful with this red food coloring. So we have the blender on low. As it mixes, then you can speed it up. Okay, we're gonna mix in the other half. Make sure that we get the exact same quantity of cake in all 3 pans. So I'm gonna measure. Check up on our cakes. Okay, so now we're gonna make our cream cheese frosting. We're gonna put a pound of cream cheese in our stand mixer. Put that on medium. Then we're gonna put 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 cups of confectionery sugar. So we just scraped the dome of the cake.
We took off a small portion from the second layer dome to grind for a skirt for the bottom of the cake.
Now, earlier I took out some of the crumbs, a layer on the bottom.